Hello everyone, this is Creative Events Platform and you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a tutorial on this beautiful turban, but before I will do that, I'll go ahead and show you some other designs of turban from Creative Events Platform, which the videos are already online. This video is available and is beautiful, and also this video is also on my channel. So what are you waiting for? Search for them. The pictures will help you find them easily on Creative Events Platform. This video is also available. This is a very simple cap, just the design and all of that. The video is available. So this other one is also available. So I'm just trying to show you some of our work and the videos that are already online. This Zara cap is available as well. So check through the channel and get watching. This is a fascinator. This one is not available anyway, but this one is available too. Yeah. All right, so to today's business. This is the business of the day. I'm working with sequins, and the measurement for the sequins, I think I put it here, 12 inches by 50. I don't need 12 inches anyway. I don't need 12 inches wide. I'll trim it off and use it for the other design. Then this is crillone, 3 inches crillone. You get it like this from the market. Crillone has different sizes. We have 1 inch crillone as well, 4 inches, 6 inches, but this is 3 inches crillone. And remember I said the sequence is 12 inches by 50. So what I'm doing right away is to fix the crillone inside the sequence, and then I'll sew the edge. I'm sewing on top of the crillone. So when you are sewing, sew on top of the crillone. It will help to hold it down, and as you do your design, it will be stable. So sew on top of the crillone, and when I'm done with the sewing, I will also trim off the excess part. Well, this video is focused more on the design, but how to create the cap, which is the turban base itself, is also in this video. So that's how to make the cap is the ending part of this video. So if you're interested in that, you watch the video to the end. But for those that already know how to create the cap, I don't really think you need that video. That's why I'm not bothering you with that for a start. All right, so this is just the design. I've created the design, and all I need to do now is split it together or fold it together. You can just use your hand needle to fold it the way you see me folding now, or you can go ahead and use the sewing machine to create a pleat, and then you now use your needle and thread to pull it together when you are done with the pleat. So creating the pleat is your choice, how small or how big you want it to be is a thing of choice. So my own, I did not really measure the size. In case you want to know what I use in folding, I did not measure the size. I just kept folding as I feel like. The reason for the fold is to help the crillone stand out. So it is either you fold it or you use your needle and thread to just pull it together. So you can see after the pleat, it comes out like this. Now I will put it together, fold it into 2 equal parts, and then put it together. Then I'll use my needle and thread at this point to pull it together. So how far I want it to go on the turban is also a thing of choice. If you want it to start from the midpoint to the back, it's your choice. If you want it to start from the midpoint and stop halfway, it's also your choice. I find out that either of these styles, any decision you are taking is fine. Either it will get to the back or stop halfway, it will still come out nice. All right, so this is how it will look. I'm just joining the two together. So I'm just going to ship in quickly. If today is your first time stopping by Creative Ends platform, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving today. And also, please don't forget to recommend this channel to other people. And as well, I will appreciate you giving it a thumbs up so that other people can also see this video and watch it. All right, okay, so this is it. It's ready. I love it like this. You can have what I just made now. You can make two of it. So if you want it to be in a fuller shape, you want it to be very full, that's the design. So you can double it. You make this first one and then you make another one of same size and then join it together to be very full, and also it will be outstanding. I love the pattern, I love the style. It is unique as far as I'm concerned, and I hope that you love it as well. So to attach it to this turban, all I need doing right now is I will either use my hot glue to attach it to the turban, or I can use my hand needle to sew it to the turban. So for the purpose of these tutorials, I used the hand needle to tack it to my turban, but I just have to be careful so that the sewing will not show under the turban. So in tacking it, you just have to ensure that the needle and thread stays up, as in it shouldn't show, should not penetrate the cap to the bottom. All right, so I am done with that particular one, and this is how it will look. Now you can use embellishment to do your finishing of the side there. That's where my hand is now. Or you can use another sequence that is not having crinoline inside to do your finishing. Is a thing of choice. If you decide to use embellishment to line that part, that is to close the rough edges, it's not a bad idea anyway. And if you decide to work with the sequence as well, it's not also a bad idea. Both ideas will come out well. All right, so this will be all for today's video. The cap, the tutorials for the cap is at the ending of this video. If you are interested in knowing how I create the cap, then you can continue watching the video and you see how I created the body pleat, close the turban, pull it together using interlock and all of that. They are all there for you to see. So for now, from my own end, it will be goodbye. I'll see you in my next video, and I do hope that you love this one, and the next one promises to get better. Bye for now.